The three founders of Verdaria hadn't vanished, they had been killed by Clown Pierce. Clown, who wanted the treasure for himself, initially tried to find the location of Verdaria through brute force. He had one last option: threaten Verda into telling him exactly where the city was. Of course, she wouldn't budge, and ultimately, she sacrificed herself to prevent Clown from finding Verdaria, secretly planting the final compass in her own execution chamber. At the time, Clown had no idea, especially since the words in her final book had no meaning to him. But Theo and I had managed to figure out exactly what Clown couldn't, and now we had a compass that pointed straight to a city that was supposedly lost years ago. Theo and I grabbed Sky and flew as high as we could, ready to travel for as long as we needed to find the city.
Okay, I'm coming. Let me get my clothes out of the dryer.
Oh my gosh, bro.
I can't believe it.
Can you believe it? We actually found it!
Guy is
Verdaria exists! We found it! Oh my god!